Deja vu? Guess what? I got another call, same highway, another truck, flat tire. I pull up. Is it the highway with drivers or am I just stuck in a never ending loop of tire troubles? Either way, I'll take it. But this one not just flat, it was blown up like a balloon at the end of a long road trip. The driver had a spare, but here is a twist. And to make matter worse, the spare tire was looking rough, probably hadn't seen the road in years. It wasn't the outer tire that went, it was the inner one. That made things tricky. So I pulled out my hydraulic jack, got the truck up, and grabbed my new pneumatic drill. Took a bit more time than usual, but I got that exploded tire off and the spare on. Finally, the truck was back on the road and I was thinking, well, I guess when it comes to saving tires, I'm the guy they call. That was one hell of a morning.